So hey guys, in today's video I am going to show you one of the best feature of Canva that I like most and uses frequently in my videos and Instagram post as well as a Facebook post. You often using a Canva for a while and I'm also using a Canva from a long time, but this is the best feature I think because it is using by all the creators frequently to enhance the creativity as well as use the picture graphic very well. So let's introduce that favorite option of Canva. So for that I'm creating a design on a create a new design section and a custom design, and I'm selecting up to 4000 by 2000 pixel and a new blank sheet will open, and the feature name is remove background. If we come to here in the photo section, and if you see there are various photos. If you want to use these photos in your Instagram post carousel, Facebook carousel, YouTube community tab section as well as many other picture graphic which you create using the Canva, this is the best feature which you can use and remove your background from the images. For a simple, I can take this image and you will see here how I can remove the background of this image. Means the lady or the girl will automatically separate it from that blackish section, and you can use this girl on various images on YouTube thumbnail creation, on Facebook creation, Facebook cover page creation, and various others option you can use. Here you will see this lady or girl will be removed by this blackish background by creating on edit image section and then click on background remover. You can see this is a pro account, so you can use this features on only on pro account. So you can switch to pro account, or you can try a 45 days trial version of Canva which will benefit you while removing a background. You cannot use separately another website to remove your background from the main subject. So I will click here and you will see here an automatic Canva will remove the background and make this lady and the previous background separately. It will delete automatically, and you can see this lady become a file type of PNG which you will use in various other graphics. I will also show you how you can use this type of pictures and where you can use this type of picture. I think Canva is a very good tool to create infographics, posters, posts, Instagram, Facebook post, community, YouTube community post, and various other. It is taking a little bit time, but it will definitely remove a fantastic background. See here, it is removed all the background from the image, and you can use this. Suppose if you are using a blackish color and you can use it like here, and if you can use and background, if you can use like this color and you can use here, and you can create here some type of Instagram post and YouTube thumbnail. I can use this font and ungroup that and remove it from here and here, and now I can write here. So this type of background removal tool you can use on Canva very efficiently. If I can create an ad page and use another photo, I can show you another sample how Canva remove this type of images and separate the background from it. Suppose if we take this image and you see there are subject is on blue color and the background is of little bit blackish and white color or gray color, you can see it will definitely remove it. If we go to edit section and then click on a remove background or background remover, it will remove this background too. Suppose if Canva could not fetch the detailing properly, then you can use restore and erase section also. Suppose if you could not like this image or the Canva removed extra part of image, you can restore it very well by clicking this restore section, and you can rub it here or you can drag here so that all the parts that Canva removed automatically will restore. Suppose if you want to erase something, you can erase also. You have to click here and then you have to do like that, and you have to rub the brush or your mouse by clicking by holding left click, and you have to just rub it on the face or the picture that you want to erase, and that's it. The image will be done. It is look like this. I have to delete this. I hope you like this video. Share it with your friends and comment below what is the next video that you require on a Canva tutorial.